state, or is a two-state solution to the conflict?
Was impromptu speaking where people people is considered as terrorism.
Statistics. 79% of Hindus, 40. We have an example of Baghdadi.
We want to earn profit and work.
How to protect the names
Almost half of the country's population has stood up
used
against him.
by
And
some quotations quoted by Donald Trump himself. I quote, "I'll keep my God in my heart, my weapons in my hand and my constitution in my mind, so that it will help me in becoming the greatest job president God has ever created." Unquote. Thank you.